Hello everyone! Today I will be explaining how to complete the front cover of the new examinations answer book. Now, don't let the amount of information that's being displayed in front of you distract you from the fact that filling in the needed information is really quite simple, and that you can easily complete it by following just a few simple steps. The first thing you'll notice is that the new answer book has 4 slips attached at the bottom. This is especially important to complete accurately. Now, if you focus your attention on the white paper located at the bottom of your cover page, this is the first and most important section to complete. Very important. The new addition to the exam answer book is designed to automatically duplicate as when using carbon paper. So please make sure that when filling in your details you press hard when writing, and that you use a ballpoint pen and not a gel pen. If you don't complete it in this way, the completed slip will not duplicate all the way through. Now let's get started. Example of full name, Cedric Bezuidenhout. Step 1. Please write down your surname or fun. Example, Bezuidenhout. Step 2. Please write down your initials or voorletters. Example, C. Step 3. Please write down your correct module. For example, Mathematics 365. Step 4. Please write down the correct venue or plek that your exam is taking place in. For example, General Engineering Building A1001. Step 5. Please fill in the correct date of datum. Example, 01/06/21. Step 6. Lastly, please fill in your signature of handtekening. But before you do, please note that by signing, you agree to abide by the rules and confirm that the details provided are correct. That was pretty simple, right? Now moving on to the right of the section you just completed, you will find a section where you would need to fill in your student number. Firstly, write down your full student number in the blank spaces just below the words student number. The next step is very important. Mark the numbers as per your student number below by circling the numbers in full. It is very important that you circle and color in the correct sections. The instructions of how to complete this section is also located on the far right of the slip. Now say for example your student number starts with 1. Then you will mark the number 1 below in that same row. If the next number is 3, then you will mark the number 3 in the row below the number as written on the form. Do this until the last number of your student number. If you make a mistake, you will have to complete a new answer book. You are now officially done with filling in the slips attached to the green book. The next section to complete is the green book, where it says number of books handed in and number of this book. For example, if you use more than one book, such as a pink book, you will write down 1 of 2, and the pink book will be 2 of 2. The 2 blocks underneath that, you would just need to fill in your correct module and date again. Lastly, going back to the slips. As you can see, the white slip will be your copy, the student copy. The green slip will be the examinations copy. The yellow slip will be the lecturer's copy. Once you are done filling in the needed information, the invigilator will come and you, the student, will need to tear out all 3 slips except for the last slip. Important to note is that when you tear out the 3 slips, you will keep the white slip as your evidence and you will hand in the green and yellow slips to the invigilator. Once you have done that, you will then tear off the white sticky strip in the last green form and fold it over to hand in your books. And just like that, we are done. Good luck!